So we're about an hour and 20 minutes north of San Francisco in Marin County, where I live. We're gonna go see my friend John Finger, who's the founder and CEO of Hog Island Oyster Company. They grow and produce some of the most fabulous oysters in America. This is gonna be great, you're gonna love it, come on. Not only do you guys grow oysters out here in beautiful Tomales Bay, but the menu here is fantastic.
Yeah, we try to keep it simple and kind of true to this place is what it's about, really. This was always the original dream, just a seafood shack at the side of the bay, and it took us a little bit longer to get here, but this was always what we wanted to do.
Tell me about specifically what kind of oysters you grow here.
So this is what we call our typical extra small Hog Island Sweetwater, our brand namesake oyster. This is our newest oyster. We'll call these Earthquake Bays. Wow. Because that's a nickname for Tomales Bay, of course.
Yeah.
So.
These are, hands down, my favorite oysters on the west coast of the United States, right? And I think arguably in America, the flavor is just incredible. I'm gonna start with this one right here.
All right.
I cracked the shell, but okay. What is that? So West Coast.
Yeah.
I love it, what a treat. So I see you got the grill on.
Yeah.
What are we gonna do about that?
This is our Chipotle bourbon garlic butter.
Oh, come on.
That says it right there.
Yeah.
Chipotle, bourbon, brown sugar, butter, garlic.
Those like 4 or 5 things that just like really dig each other.
Yeah. You know, we'll put these guys on here, let them cook for a little bit.
So as soon as the butter starts to melt, it starts to blend with like the natural moisture, what they call the liquor from the oyster itself.
Yep.
It's one of the greatest flavors ever. And I really cherish this. Hopping on my motorcycle and coming up here, it's like my holy time. You know, it's kind of, you clear your head, go on a beautiful ride, and then you get up here, you get this. Yeah. Life is good. So it's almost like a 2-step thing, right? Yeah. You eat this and you drink that.
Oh, yeah.
That's how I do it, right? Yep. That's the first course. Second course, you wash it down. Come on, man. Wow. Let's go walk around the facility, because that's where I think this gets really interesting.
All right. This is a harvest that these guys just pulled a couple hours ago. We sort out the very smallest size here. We call it kind of a rough sort. And then everything winds up on these sorting tables, and we finish the sort by hand. Something that we do that's different than anybody else, a lot of oyster farms, they would then go into a refrigerator. Here they go into our filtered seawater system. We're pumping seawater in from the bay. So this is our cold storage and our live holding system. So every morning, we pull oysters out of here and deliver to our restaurants or to whoever's buying oysters from us. If you come here to buy oysters, we are taking them out of the water. You cannot get oysters fresher.
John, thank you so much for your time today, man. Great to see you as always. So gracious of you to really show everybody out there in the world what fantastic food here in California is all about, man.
Thanks. All right.
My absolute pleasure, man. Have a great day, buddy. I'll see you later. Thanks.
All right.
We're at Cowgirl Creamery. It's right here in Point Reyes Station, which is sort of 15 minutes south of Hog Island, heading back to San Francisco. Not only do they make cheese, but they also make a grilled cheese sandwich, which is incredibly delicious. Let's go. Amanda, I'm so excited to be hanging out with you today. This is such a treat to be able to show everybody what like really great food here in Marin County is all about.
Thank you.
And you can't even start the conversation without talking about Cowgirl Creamery, right? So we're gonna make a grilled cheese sandwich, but not just any grilled cheese sandwich. Classic, yes, ish, classic-ish. So let's talk about what's on the table here.
Yep. So part of the secret to the grilled cheese is our wagon wheel cheese. This is a United States American variation on what we like to think of as an Alpine style cheese. And then the fromage blanc is our fresh dairy. So you can see it's light, it's luscious, it's just like a ricotta. A grilled cheese would not be a grilled cheese without a nice slathering of grass-fed organic cow's milk butter from just down the street at the Strauss Family Creamery. That's gonna be the outside of our grilled cheese.
So we got the bread, we got the cheese, we got the butter, right? So show me how you put this together.
So, 2 slatherings of fromage blanc. We're gonna use a little bit on each side of the sandwich. And then of course, we're just gonna use a whole bunch of the wagon wheel cheese. So we're gonna basically, you know, put these together, we're gonna butter the bread, and we're gonna get it on our panini presses, and that's about it.
Oh, you hear that?
Sizzle?
You hear that?
Exactly.
Check this out.
Reveal.
Da-da. Come on. What I really like about this from the technique standpoint is the fromage blanc on either side of the bread that holds the gooey stuff together. That's such a great idea. Are you ready to go?
Let's go.
Let's take it out. When you guys serve this, you kind of normally serve with some pickles, right?
Yeah, we have house-made pickles here. It's our jardinera and just house-made little pickles. So, you want to do the honors?
Do you mind? Cheers. I'll split with you. Ready?
All right, there we go.
Okay. I need a moment. So delicious. This is great. And this is like a lovely introduction, right, to like the world-class cheese of Cowgirl Creamery, because you get a chance to taste this and feel like a kid again.
You got it.
And then there's so much more sophisticated stuff here. You know, it's so amazing, right? If you guys are coming up here, especially like anywhere close to like Western Marin County, this is a stop you got to make. Thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you.
Hey everybody, Tyler Florence here. Thanks so much for watching The Extra Mile. We had a blast bringing you behind the scenes of the great food truck race and also taking you behind the scenes to one of the greatest food cities in the world, San Francisco, California. We'll see you guys next week.